In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use files and folder in Replit. By the end, you'll confidently create, organize, rename, delete, and quickly find your files pane so your projects stay neat and easy to navigate. Let's start with creating the building blocks of your project. Look to the right sidebar and find the files header. Click the three dots next to it to open a small menu. From there, choose New File to add a new code or data file, or New Folder to create a container for related files. Giving things clear, descriptive names here will save you time later, especially as the project grows. Once you have a few items in place, keep everything tidy by using drag and drop. You can drag any file into a folder to group related code together. Maybe all your components, assets, or utilities live in their own folders. This simple organization step makes it much easier to scan your project and find what you need without scrolling endlessly. When you need to make changes, right-click any file or folder to open the context menu. From here, you can rename items to better reflect their purpose, delete anything you no longer need, or duplicate a file if you want to experiment without touching the original. As a quick tip, take a moment to double check before deleting, especially when you're working fast. Cleanups are great, but you don't want to lose something important by accident. If you're working in the desktop workspace and want to move quickly, bulk actions can help. Hold Shift to select multiple files, then move them into a folder all at once or delete them together. This is perfect when you're reorganizing a project that's already in progress or when you've imported a batch of files and want to sort them immediately. Before confirming any bulk delete, glance over your selection to ensure only the intended items are included. If the files pane seems to have disappeared, it's usually just hidden or moved. First, click the folder icon on the sidebar to toggle the file tree on and off. If you're using the new 2025 layout, the file tree may have shifted to the top right of the workspace. Look for a small symbol with two rectangles. Clicking it will reopen the pane and bring your file view back. With these essentials, you can create, organize, and find your files in Replit with confidence. Practice these basics and your workflow will feel faster, cleaner, and more reliable.